want me on my knees? Do you want me on my knees? Do you want me on my knees? And you say yes. Yes. You gained the world and lost your soul. We play the game, but someone else is in control. Do you want me on my knees? Do you want me on my knees? Do you want me on my knees? They all say yes! Yes! I am dehumanized. I have no identity. I guess it doesn't matter what you do to me. Do you want me on my knees? Do you want me on my knees? Do you want me on my knees? We all say yes! Yes! So! Like this? Do you want me on my knees? Do you want me on my knees? Do you want me on my knees? And you say yes! Yes! Please, do you want me on my knees? Please, do you want me on my knees? Like this?
Live with harass, live with a man on their ass. Not enough money for the hungry and poor. They're being starved out by the seat of the law. The neighborhood's covered. We're gonna get murdered. Up against the wall with the battle cry. Up against the wall, hold your hands up high. Up against the wall, pull your pockets out. When you keep on fire, boy, your time is run out. Everyone's hungry for a piece of the day. With handcuffs and knives, sticks were held in the face. These are the souls should protect the Shabbat. The perfect example of how money can talk. Well, they're after us. We'll never give up. Up against the wall with the battle cry. Up against the wall, hold your hands up high. Up against the wall, pull your pockets out. So you keep our path, boy, your time is run out. Night is been covered with morning. Straight to the beats of the drum. Trying to escape without warning. I was shot by a man with a gun. Well, they're after us, but we'll never give up. Up against the wall with the battle cry. Up against the wall, hold your hands up high. Up against the wall, pull your pockets out. So you keep our path, boy, your time is run out. Up against the wall with the battle cry. Up against the wall, hold your hands up high. Up against the wall, pull your pockets out. So you keep our path, boy, your time is run out. Up against the wall with the battle cry. Up against the wall, hold your hands up high. Up against the wall, pull your pockets out. So you keep our path, boy, your time.
Gigi Allen there, Up Against the Wall, before he got too weird and scary and did very crazy things on stage. Before that, of course, The Nuns with Do You Want Me on My Knees. I can't quite do their accent, but gave it a pretty crappy shot, actually. You are listening to Parallel Sounds on Swire FM 99.9, and as I like to do around about this time every week, it's bloody long song time. And this one, special one, it did come about from Miss Natalina herself, the idea for the bloody long song, so it's usually something involving her. But this has got absolutely nothing to do with her, this song. It's somewhat of a tragic tale of a doomed love, which didn't end so well, but yeah, what can I say? It's almost adult themes. It's by Avenged Sevenfold. So sit back if you're driving, enjoy this tune. It's an interesting one. It's called A Little Piece of Heaven. You're listening to Swire FM 99.9.
a sin for me to take what's mine until the end of time. We were more than friends before the story ends, and I will take what's mine, claim what God would never design. Our love had been so strong for far too long. I was weak with fear that something would go wrong before the possibilities came true. I took all possibility from you. Almost laughed myself to tears, conjuring a deepest fear.
Lost the sound of 50 f***ing times. I can't believe it. Ripped her heart out right before her eyes. I was overeasy. Eat it, eat it, eat it.
She was never misusing bed even when she was sleeping. Now she's just so perfect. I've never been quite so fucking thinking. It goes on and on and on. I can keep you looking young and preserve forever with a fountain spray on your youth whenever. 'Cause I really always knew that my little crime would be cold. That's why I got a heater for your thighs. And I know it's not your time, but bye-bye. And a word to the wise, when the fire dies, you think it's over, but it's just begun. Baby, don't cry. You had my heart, at least for the most part. 'Cause everybody's gotta die sometime. We fell apart. Let's make a new start. 'Cause everybody's gotta die sometime. Yeah, yeah. But baby, don't cry. Possibilities I never considered are occurring, the likes of which I never heard. Now an angry soul comes back from beyond the grave to repossess somebody with which I misbehaved. Smiling right from ear to ear, almost laughed herself to tears.
Lost the sound of 50 f***ing times. I can't believe it. Ripped his heart out right before his eyes. I was overeasy. Eat it, eat it, eat it.
Now that it's done, I realize that you're on my ways. I must venture back to apologize from someone far beyond the grave. I gotta make up for what I've done, 'cause I was all up in a piece of heaven while you burned in hell. No peace forever. 'Cause I really always knew that my little crime would be cold. That's why I got a heater for your thighs. And I know it's not your time, but bye-bye. And a word to the wise, when the fire dies, you think it's over, but it's just begun. But baby, don't cry. You had my heart, at least for the most part. 'Cause everybody's gotta die sometime. We fell apart. bye-bye. And a word to the wise, when the fire dies, you think it's over, but it's just begun. But baby, don't cry. You had my heart, at least for the most part. 'Cause everybody's gotta die sometime. We fell apart. Let's make a new start. Oh. 'Cause everybody's gotta die sometime. Yeah, yeah. My baby, don't cry.
Bloody long song there, and what a ripper that one was. Avenged Sevenfold with A Little Piece of Heaven, and thankfully it did get the Natalina seal of approval for the bloody long song, so I'm sure you're very happy to hear that. Great thing about that track, Avenged Sevenfold are a metal band, you would say, but the great mixing of styles in that is just fantastic, and I can listen to that over and over. I don't have to listen to all the words because they're a bit weird, but great track, and it's why I love Bloody Long Song Time, because then I can play bloody long songs like that, and I'm going to stop saying that now. You're listening to Parallel Sounds on Swear FM 99.9, the best alternative, punk, indie music that you don't hear on normal radio, and an example of that now is another band called Ghoultown. I've played them before, and they're of a genre which is termed gothabilly. It's legit. That's an actual genre of music now. You can Google it, wiki it, whatever. Gothabilly, mixture of goth and rockabilly. I think the term sounds pretty crap. I just like good music, so I'm going to stick it in that little genre there. This is a track by them called Werewolves on Wheels. You're listening to Swear FM.
Listen up, baby, we got something you should know. There's a riot in the streets, and you are in the show. Just